Hello, welcome to the Hyperlapse video from Espoo, Finland, Leppävaara area. In this video we are showing how we go to the Hyperlapse area where we take the Hyperlapse. In this video it's 16.6 minutes in real time. In video it is 20 seconds only, and we are filming the Sello shopping center area, which is also a major public transportation hub. The Hyperlapse starts really now. In Hyperlapse I usually want to look what different things happen. You can see clouds moving, the trains coming and going, the light coming from behind the clouds. It cannot be really seen in real-time video because it takes too long time. So that was over 16 minutes, and now we fly back where we started, from this Kuntokihara area in these fields of Leppävaara. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.